Today is my monthly collab video with Andi from Andi Does Stuff, and today we are using the BH Cosmetics Party in Puerto Rico palette. She and I, neither one have ever used this palette. We have free reign to do whatever we want to do with it. And I am also going to be trying out these new brushes from Andi. She started her own brand called Singe Beauty. I'm super excited to give these a try. Let's get into it. Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. I have not even opened up these brushes to look at them, and I've had them for a little while. Singe Beauty. I will have Andi's channel linked down below so that you can go check her out if you're unsure as to who she is. Here are all of the brushes. Love those pretty yellow handles. Here they are out of the package. They are very well made, very soft. I really like the handles. They are the perfect length. I don't like super long brushes. Very nice. I'm excited to give those a try. And the star of the show is the Puerto Rico palette, Party in Puerto Rico palette. This palette unfortunately has been discontinued, I think. I know it's out of stock on their website. You can find it in other places. This is a very colorful spring-summer palette. I already have my base face on along with my primer. I am going to take E03, which is this big fluffy brush, to do my transition shade, and I think I'm going to go here into this shade. What is that called? I'm not sure how to say that. I'm going to say it's flamingo in English. I'll just make up English names. How about that? Brush picks up the pigment really nice. This is a very soft brush. So I'm sure that most of y'all know who Andi is from Andi Does Stuff, but I do have quite a few new subs. Welcome to all of my new subs. And in case you do not know who Andi is, I will have her channel linked down below along with the link to her video. Andi, as her name suggests, does a lot of different things. She has been doing some new things for 2023, which have been quite exciting. She's doing some panning projects, and she has a project 3 uses, which I really enjoy watching her do that. That's where she tries a product 3 times to see whether or not she likes it. I really like that color. That's like a salmon shade. I wasn't sure how that was going to look on my mature eyes, but I actually really like it. As with all BH palettes, well, the old formula, it blends out really well. I tried the new BH palette that nudes, I can't remember the name of it, and I did not like it. The formula was not the same. I do not recommend that. Anyway, back to Andi. Andi and I have developed an amazing friendship here on YouTube. It's funny, the friendships that you can develop with people that you've never met in person. Those friendships, I think, are real. Andi and I have a lot of things in common. She has an amazing personality. She does beautiful makeup too, just beautiful. This brush is blending out the shades really well, and my contact is not happy. Next, I'm going to take this E02 and I'm going to go into Laguna Grande and use that in my crease and probably a little bit in the outer V. So how's everybody doing? Let me know down in the comments how y'all are doing. I know that I have not been uploading videos as much as I normally do. I'm hoping to get back on schedule with that. As you know, things have been kind of busy over here with the changes that have happened, good changes that have happened in my life. And we're in the middle of May, so Memorial Weekend is looming upon us at work, and we're trying to get ready for that. We are super short-staffed, even more than we have been. So that has all of us that are still there doing double duty and things that we normally wouldn't do. It's been kind of stressful, to be real about it. But life is stressful at times, right? I'm telling you, so far I'm really liking these brushes. What plans do y'all have for Memorial Weekend? You going anywhere, having cookouts? I have worked every Memorial Weekend for several years now with this job, because everybody comes out to the resort, so we have to be there to make sure that they have a good time. I have a little piece of dry skin over here. So far so good on this palette. I know it has had good and bad reviews, but so far it's doing really well for me. This shade here, La Fort, yep, not even going to attempt it. That is like a satin. Doesn't really look like a shimmer. It's more of a satiny type shade, but that shade is calling to me. I think I'm going to take that and put it in my outer corner. I'm going to use this Andi Hot and Flashy. This is A505. It's a flat brush. I'm going to use that to pick that up. Oh, picked it up very well. And put that in my outer corner. Did all of you have a good Mother's Day? We grilled out, had steaks. I bought some new patio furniture so that we can sit outside. I had always wanted to do that. I got a rug and 2 swivel rocker chairs and an umbrella so that we can sit out and enjoy the weather. I love to sit outside at night and read. The weather on Mother's Day was beautiful, so it was nice to grill out and just sit outside and enjoy each other's company. I hope that all of you had a wonderful Mother's Day, all of you mothers, whether you have children or fur babies. And I know a lot of people will mother other people. There's lots of different ways that you can be called a mama. I wasn't intending on going dark with this palette, but here we are. I mean, I sure do love a smoky eye. And now, what am I going to do? I think I'm going to go into this bright pink. Oh, that is bright. I'll just put a little bit of that in the center. That is not going on exactly how I thought it would, but it's a pretty color. A pretty shade. I'm going to try it with that Andi Hot and Flashy brush. Okay, that's much better. That brightens it up. That pink, huh? I'm going to take that E02 and go back into the Laguna Grande trying to blend this out some. I feel like I need a little bit more in my crease. I'm gonna go into that shade that I put in my outer corner and see how that blends out. Oh yeah, that's better. I got that pretty dark, didn't I? These are the dark days of summer look. And now what am I gonna do? I think I want to go into this orange. Do I want to go into that orange? Well, why not? What else have we got to do? El Moro. Gonna use that same, ooh, Angie Hot and Flashy. I really like that. I do wish that there was a lighter shimmer in here, and there is not. I'm going to take the smaller, this is a E05, and I'm going to go into that shade that I used in my crease and put that under my eye. I'm going to take this BK Beauty 204 and go into that dark shimmer and put a little bit of that in the outer corner. And then I'm just going to do what I've done on the top. I'm going to go into that pink, put that in the center, just a little bit, and then pick up that orange, put that in the front. And then we'll go back into that first brush and just kind of soften this. And then I have a little palette that I keep on my vanity that has just some different shades on it that I can use when I need them. I have a shimmer shade in here. I'm going to take that and lighten up that inner corner and a little under my brow bone. I feel like I need to do some blending, y'all. It's all about the blend for me. I'm going to take the E05 and just try to blend right here. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to do my lashes, do some liner, do a lip, and then I'll be right back. And so this is the final look using the BH Cosmetics Party in Puerto Rico palette. This is a beautiful palette. It performed very well. They should bring it back or restock it. On their website it says that they are out of stock. Love the brushes. I love the brushes. They did amazing. That was super easy to put on. Highly recommend those. The other products that I have on, I used this Superstay Active Wear from Maybelline. This is their 30-hour foundation. My first time using it. Looks fantastic. I used the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum under my eyes. I used my Belgium Waffle palette from BH Cosmetics. I used this shade here for my bronzer. I used this Sephora face palette. This is Microsmooth Captivate. This shade right here for my blush. And I used the Makeup Revolution London highlighter palette. I used this shade here, which has a lot of pink in it. It's very pretty. I love this palette. I got this at Marshall's for $4.99. And I have been testing out the Nobu Lash. I love this mascara. I'm going to do a whole dedicated video, hopefully dedicated video, on this mascara. It is phenomenal. I'm absolutely loving it. And I have on lip gloss, and y'all know that I do not do lip gloss. I am not a lip gloss person. But City Lips sent me their clear lip gloss. And then they just recently sent me this tinted lip gloss, and this is in the shade Plum Springs. And I love it. I love this shade. It is so pretty. It is so comfortable. It is not sticky. And this stuff seriously plumps up your lips, y'all. And it is not super stingy. I mean, I do not like anything that burns or stings. I know a lot of people like for their plumping lip gloss to do that. I do not. This has a very light tingle to it. It's very, very light. And it really does plump up your lips. It is absolutely amazing. I'll have the link to this down in the description box along with the code to save you some money. But if you wait, they're getting ready to have a sale. And I'll let y'all know when that sale is so that y'all can check that out. That is really good stuff. Like I said, I have the clear. They sent me that, and they also sent me Tinseltown, and I like the Tinseltown too, but I am loving this color. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Andi, for doing yet another collab with me. We have been doing monthly collabs for over a year, and I love doing collabs with Andi. She is absolutely amazing. Love you to death, Andi. Thank you for suggesting that we do this. I think that it turned out really good, and I'm excited to use it again. This is also in my May Shop My Stash, so I will have Andi linked down below, her channel, also her video, her collab video. Y'all go check her out if you have not watched any of her videos and see what she has to offer. She's absolutely amazing, and maybe even consider subscribing to her. Before you go check out Andi, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.